Which of the following best supports the idea that the disaster could have been prevented? A. Molasses leaked from the tank before the collapse. It's true that these are warning signs that the tank was going to collapse, but they are merely symptoms and wouldn't have helped prevent the disaster. Because this choice is related, we'll keep an eye on it as we check out the other choices. B. The Purity Distilling Company used the tank to produce industrial alcohol. This is background information about the company's purpose, but it doesn't relate to how or why the disaster happened, or how it could have been avoided. We can mark this choice off. C. The tank was filled with over 2 million gallons of molasses. Again, while this fact explains the scale of the disaster, it doesn't suggest anything about whether the accident was preventable. A properly built tank could have held that amount safely, so this isn't the best support for the idea in the question. We can mark this off as well. And D. The metal used for the tank was too thin. This detail comes from the investigation mentioned in the passage and points to a clear cause of the collapse. If the tank had been built with stronger materials, the disaster likely could have been avoided. Because this directly supports the idea that the disaster was preventable, we can now mark choice A off and mark this choice as our final answer.